Brainy genius present, make your goals a habit, so let's get started. When we start out, it's easy to see goal setting as an all-or-nothing proposition, with the daily emphasis of our life being to excel, develop a wonderful reputation, and be recognized as successful. Over time, we may see that great ambitions are similar to onions, with several layers contributing to the end result, each of which must be nourished and developed. It is critical to provide time for them to mature and be recognized as distinct components, with the layers finally coming together to form the final output. We may set aside time to promote ourselves on social media, update our accounts, complete our journals, do some yoga practice, or enroll in a special class online. But it is only when our goals are absorbed into our way of life and become second nature, a habit, that they become an automatic part of our functioning, pulling together to make a well-rounded quality of life. Making your objectives a habit allows you to live each day to the fullest, appreciate what you're doing, and be less sidetracked by how far you're getting on your path to success. You just keep going, focusing on the big picture with your master plan while implementing beneficial habits in your daily life. You may have defined stepping stones, activities, and decisions that must be made on a daily basis in order to attain your objective. For example, growing your business may need making a particular number of contacts on a regular basis. Reducing weight may necessitate daily decisions about exercise and nutrition. And running a marathon may necessitate reaching a certain distance each week. Doing anything large or little that becomes a regular part of your mentality and dedication. Even on somewhat idle days or when other things take precedence, it's crucial to recall your ultimate goal. As a result, your activities will eventually become a habit. Remind yourself of your objectives by keeping them visible on a vision board, as a screensaver, or by putting them at the front of your journal or diary, so that you may interact with them on a regular conscious or unconscious basis. Make certain that they are constantly with you. You may have highlighted certain huge goals as the center of your efforts, but habits form as a pretty comfortable, regular commitment, rather than being so large that you risk getting overwhelmed or forced to park other parts of your life. Doing something simple and easy to include has a better chance of becoming a habit and eventually leading to success. That is why it is preferable to divide large goals into smaller portions, bite-sized morsels that don't require too much thought or may be planned ahead of time. Otherwise, on busy, stressful days, all of your good intentions risk getting pushed to the side as you fall back on simpler, more established habit patterns, or reject them as you deal with critical concerns that need your whole focus. Making lists is a helpful technique for some people to adopt a new habit, breaking down a bigger objective into manageable activities each day. Setting a timer may help you limit how much time you spend on each activity, guaranteeing actual attention on the task at hand, while also avoiding being overly engrossed in a single piece of work. It's beneficial to develop the practice of accomplishing something, no matter how tiny, every day. That approach is proactive, motivating, and motivates you to reassess your plans on a regular basis, raise the bar, and move them ahead. Even a brief phone call or email might help you get started. When that view becomes habitual, there is a positive attitude about what can be accomplished each day. Something modest on hectic days, greater steps when time and energy allow. Accountability is frequently vital. Having someone to check in with on a regular basis, who wants to know what you've done, where you're going, and what the anticipated consequence is. Scheduling an appointment when you have to explain yourself is really motivating. This is especially true on the days before a slimmers class weighs in. A coach or mentor, on the other hand, may assist you iron out any difficulties, direct or advise you as to possible possibilities, and help you refocus after a setback. Someone on your side, someone who is there for you during your hardships, someone who knows what you're going through may make a huge difference in your motivation levels. Making your objectives a habit is a vital contributor to your success, but don't let them consume you. Allow yourself to enjoy the voyage and perhaps even relish the odd detour along the way. After all, after you arrive, you may get a loss for what to do next or just motivated to start again and establish new goals. It's sometimes exhilarating to be less rigorous about pursuing your early ambitions. It might be enjoyable to pursue new chances and see where they take you. Unexpected excursions may be rewarding in their own right. Take the time to appreciate each new experience that comes your way as you develop. Your goal-driven attitude will then become a habit as well as a stimulating and joyful contribution to your style of thinking. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.